So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to avail the free trial of Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's begin the video. So first of all, open any browser available in your desktop and search for Premiere Pro. Here in the top you can see Adobe Premiere Pro. Click on that site. Let's scroll a bit and choose free trial. Here you can see various options of individual, business and students and teachers. You can choose according to that. After choosing, choose your subscription, and after that if you want a 7-day free trial of Adobe Stock, checkmark this box, or you can checkmark if you don't want, then click on continue. Here you can see Premiere Pro plan 7-day free trial. Here you can see due now at 0, and after the trial is over it will be charged. You can see how the billing will work. Click on continue. Here enter your email address. After entering your email address, your card details will be asked. Enter your card details, and after entering your card details you will be successfully able to purchase the Adobe Premiere Pro free trial. And if you just want to avail the free trial, then you can just cancel the subscription when 7 days free trial is over and no amount will be charged from you. So that's how you can avail free trial of Adobe Premiere Pro. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.